Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya. Today I created this beautiful warm look. I wanted to feel warm and glowy today. It's really cold outside, so I just decided to come and beat my face. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep watching. I've already done my brows off camera. I do have an eyebrow tutorial coming soon. So basically I'm just starting off with my primer today. I'm using the Rimmel Matte Stay primer and I'm just applying that in my T-zone area, and that's where I get oily most. I'm just going to blend it on my face and just pat it in, let it dry. Using the Malibu Glitz palette today, I'm going to take this orange shade and I'm going to use that as my transition color for today. So going in with this dark brown color, I'm going to add this to the outer corners of my eyes and I'm going to blend that, creating a V. I want the colors on my mobile lid to look real prominent, so I'm going in with my concealer and I'm going to add that concealer on top of my mobile lids, and I'm going to let it set for a little while, and then I'm going in with this orange shade and I'm going to apply that on my mobile lids right on top of the concealer. So because I wanted my outer V to be more darker, I decided to go in with this dark gray black color, and I'm going to add that right where I had added that first brown color, and I'm just going to darken that area. While adding all of those eyeshadows, I had lost a little bit of transition color, so I'm going back in with that same light orange and I'm going to just reapply my transition shade. I'm just putting my top lashes before I add the falsies, and these falsies are from Negus Lashes. This is an Instagram company. I will have their information listed down below in the description box. I do have an eyelash tutorial coming soon, so stay tuned for that as well. I was kind of recording it in this video, but I wanted to do one where there's no eyeshadow, just so you guys can focus mainly on the lashes itself. Using this BH Cosmetics foundation brush, I'm blending out my foundation, and the foundation I used today was a Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. So for my highlight today, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics foundation and concealer 2 palette, and I'm going to take that color and blend it underneath my eyes, in the middle of my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. and blending that out, I'm using my Real Techniques blending sponge. So to set those areas today, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330, and I'm just going to set the highlighted areas. For contouring today, I'm going in with the Modern Fashion palette, and I'm going to use this dark brown color right here, and I'm going to create some cheekbone. And so for my overall face powder today, my favorite, I'm using the E.L.F finish powder in the shade dark. I need to get a new one. Don't judge me. Don't judge. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going in with this color here, and I'm going to blend these two together, and I'm going to blend that underneath on my lower lash line. I'm going to add some mascara to my lashes. I hope and pray I don't mess up. So for lips today, I'm going in with this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Matte Caron. For highlight today, I'm going with the Carli Bybel palette, and I think this is the first edition. I love this bronze color here, so I normally mix these two. Now to set everything today, I'm going in with my E.L.F makeup mist and set spray. Well, okay loves, that concludes the look for today. I sure hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it was easy for you to follow along. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel right here. Just click this photo, and my most previous upload will be right here on this left part of the screen, so go ahead and click that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.